Guess what I got for my birthday? Hi, I'm Susan. I've had my Cricut for about 2 years, and ever since I've gotten it, I've wanted the Easy Press, but it being so expensive, I haven't been able to get one. And my sweet husband got me one for my birthday, and my supervisor is very excited about it as well. So I'm going to show you what I can make with this. It comes with one project to get you started. It has this bag and it has the directions to put the Cricut logo on the back. And it tells you what to set the temperature on and how to set the timer. And you start off, you warm it up, then you lay your decal on there, and then you lay it back. And it was for, I believe it was 290 degrees for 30 seconds, and you just use gentle pressure and you just hold it for that 30 seconds. Once the timer goes off, you flip it over and then you press it again for about 15 seconds on the back. And here we go, just starting at the corner and just peeling it around. And it is so neat. I was so excited. It just gave me a thrill. And I think it turned out kind of cool. And here's how it looks. This was so easy to do. And now for my first project for myself. I want to know if you know what I did wrong. I'll tell you in a minute. There's something just about me that it doesn't matter how many videos I watch or how many instructions I read, I'm going to do it wrong at one point. And in this one, I printed it shiny side up and it should have been shiny side down. On this one, I went through the computer part and it was very easy to do. I remembered to mirror it because on iron-on transfer you have to mirror it because you have to put it upside down to cut it. I'm using foil, and so I went through and I picked that I was using the iron-on transfer and foil, and basically that's all you had to do before you started cutting. My supervisor was keeping a very close eye on me throughout this whole process. She could have told me about my mistake. This is my mistake. This is how I should have cut it. I was supposed to put it shiny side down. But you live and you learn. And I learned. You weed your iron-on vinyl pretty much like you do your transfer vinyl, your regular vinyl that you use. Really, this is much easier to weed. And I do flip it over because it's easier to see what you have missed when you're looking at it straight on. But it doesn't stick to itself. The iron-on vinyl doesn't, so it's a whole lot easier. And my putty cat kept laying on my shirt. My supervisor. And so I spent a lot of time trying to get the cat hair off. And once again, for about 15 seconds, you heat up your shirt. It gets all the water or any kind of moisture that may be in there and get it ready. And that's what you do for the full iron-on. It's $2.95 for 30 seconds with a good pressure, just, a nice, gentle, firm pressure. And you let it sit there for 30 seconds. And then you release it. And once again, you flip it to the back side and you put it back down for about 15 seconds. Cricut has a website where you can you type in your base material, which was 100% cotton for this, and what you're using, which was the full iron-on vinyl. And it tells you what temperature and how long to do it. And once again, like before, this is a warm release. You let it warm down just a little bit before you remove that cover sheet. Some of them are a cool release and some of them are warm. All the ones I did today are warm. And here's my shirt. I think it is so pretty. I love that. It was a rose gold foil. This is the Sunday Funday Open Invite Challenge, hosted by Yanni and Diane of Deco-Easy and Trish and Kay of the Crafting Cousins. I love this. This is one of my favorite challenges because we get to do whatever we want. So please go by and visit their channels. They are such talented ladies, and visit the playlist as well. There's all kinds of talent to be found. So let's get to the next project. This one is another full shirt that I did, and I won't bore you by going through the whole process again, but I just wanted to show you that I could get it right first time. And I love this saying. I get emotionally attached to fictional characters because that's me. I'll cry through books, through movies, it doesn't matter. But I loved this decal, and I got this decal in a bundle from designbundle.net. And everything was done the same. This shirt was also 100% cotton, and I just did it exactly the same way as the shirt before. And here's how this one turned out. This was a pink foil, and I think it's so pretty. This is the last shirt I'll show you, and I'm being a proud mama here because my youngest son Caleb, designed this shirt for me. Designed for my cooking channel. And if you notice at the very beginning, I was wearing one I had designed for my DIY channel. And everything's done the same, only it had 2 different colors. But I did make a mistake that I didn't show. It being 2 different colors, there was 2 mats. So I forgot to mirror. I thought when I mirrored one, I mirrored both, but it ended up I only mirrored one, so I had to recut the red. But here's all of my projects. I love how they turned out. I'm very proud of them, and I'm very happy with my heat press. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell. Be sure and check out Deco-Easy and Crafting Cousins. You will love their channels, and I thank them all for hosting this challenge. And be sure to check out the playlist. You won't be disappointed. My son did a cross with a spoon and fork, and he put my little kitty cat paw on there. Until next time, bye y'all.